What's up, everybody? I hope you are doing all well. You all are doing well. so, I'm going to share a video of leetcode, median of two sorted array. So, before going to the depth of the question, I have to just remind you some what is median. So, median is simple. If the intervals there are in odd, I mean the length of the interval, if there is odd elements are there, then simply separate it with the half half. So the middle one will be your median, and you should be sure that it is in ascending order, so you don't get uh, what wrong median. And if it is odd, sorry, if there is an odd case, or if it is an even case, let's suppose there will be six element, so you can divide it three here and three here, and you found that which one will be the middle of our element. So put one from here, one from here, and just average of these two. So just like 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 3 plus 4 divided by 2, 4 plus 3 7 by 2, or you take floor value or what you want, so 3 will be your answer. So that's the approach of a median. Now let's see the what question demanding. So today I'm not going to tell you about solution. So just a approach. So the solution part will be just like this. So let's see what's the question asking for. So you are given two sorted array, num1, num2, and you are able to give, you are given their sizes also. Anything is fine. Sizes, yeah. Respectively, return the median of the two sorted array. So I'm what the question mean? Let me just take you through this example. So let's see. There is a one, three, and two. So your array should look like this, and two will be your median. So you got two. Okay, fine. Let's see the another one. Yeah, here it will be the element. So you can see now. First, you have to just will be in correct way, that one, two, three, four. So now this is an even element. So what? This will be your two middle element, and take the average. So 5 by 2, and simply return the floor value because floor value is required. So you got 2.5. Oh, okay, okay. So sorry, output will be your 2.5. So don't take floor value. I just know by seeing the output only. So yeah, here will be everything is fine. So now let's see how can we approach. So my always suggestion, first always think about brute force, then optimize it. Because brute force is also a solution. People say like no, brute force is not a solution. No, that's not happening in the world of coding. I tell you a situation where brute force, by applying brute force, the people can hack different email accounts, and corrupt many things will be hacking with the brute force only. So brute force is also a solution. Yeah, optimization is good, everything is fine, but first think about brute force. So let's see. So how can you approach this with a brute force? So I take a simple array, and I simply put nums1 and nums2. For the people who don't know about this is spreading method. So what is spreading do? It just shallow copy your array, or only the first level. I tell you the different concept. You might heard or not, but it always shallow copy. So it's fine. Our array is in first level. Nothing is gonna be wrong. So it's totally fine. You use a spread operator. So yeah. So we got a array like this: 1, 3, 2. So now what? Sort it. One, two, three. After sorting. So n log n you used here. Okay. You used a space also. That's fine. Space is required. But now, now you simply calculate if the uh, so let's suppose there will be a merge array, the total merge array. So let's find the middle element. So you directly put if the length is odd, simply give me the math dot or whatever language you use. I am a JavaScript developer, so that's why I'm using this. So what do you use? Math dot floor array dot length divided by 2 or yeah, array dot length divided by 2. So what we get? 3 by 2, 1.5. So 1 we get, and we simply return 2. Yes, completely fine. And for the second case, if we find but more difficulties, even so, we just put a condition math dot floor first case, and one is simply what math dot floor plus 1, and take the average of these two, and you will get your output. So this is totally fine. You got your solution 100%. But what make this problem harder? So now let's talk this optimization thing. That's why it's a very simple problem. I tell you. You think what's my time complexity for the worst case for sorting n log n? That's a worst case time complexity because everything is n or spreading also, and yeah, spreading also, and yeah, you use your for loop technique, but shortcut is always best. Uh, why use for loop if we have spread operator? Yeah, completely fine. But now optimization. How can you optimize it? So this takes time, but I will tell you a simple optimization. Just convert. I convert it to O of n. I know it's demanding for big of m plus n, but I just reduce by n. Uh, okay, I have a sneezing. Let's see first what how can we optimize further. Clear all right. So let's take a length of num1. So L1, yeah, 2, L2, 1, and let's take a total length. So let's take a length just like 3, and yeah, this should fine. Nothing else. I'm just putting a variable, so this is not a complicated thing. Now let's take a merge array. So where we get our value, total value, and simply these four variables. Now put a you might heard about merging array. You have done that. How to merge array. So simply that concept will be applied here. So now, if simply take a two variable let I is equals to L1, let j is equals to L2, and now start your merging concept. So every time I just compare one value, just like I compare two. Okay, let's see from the okay. I will go to the code part, but sorry. This is the next video coding. So I always compare one is less than two or not. So yeah, so put it in the merge array. Three is less than two or not. So if I found anything, just I put I plus plus or left plus plus. I'm serious. Sneezing. Yeah, so cold. That's why. So if I find 3 is less than 2 or not, no. So what will I do? I just put this 2 here and plus plus. So I am left out from here, but I have an element here. So I will put that condition or that condition. I will take care of that condition in my code. But I tell you, if I found anything after that, I'll just push it to my merge array. So I'll get 1, 2, 3. So is it not fine going to this sort method and then sort the array? So I have only used log n. Oh, sorry, what O of n space, and I am able to do it. Not O of n only. The shortest uh, length will be our. Just a second. Yeah, the shortest length will be our what will be our time complexity. So O of n or O of m, whatever you consider, which is the largest, smallest length. Because after that, I have just pushed all the element there. So yeah, we got our array 1, 2, 3. Now what? Not simple. What we did earlier, just method floor and put the middle element. So I got from array dot length merge dot length by 2. So I got this element. If this even, then simply uh, join it and average. Take the average. So is it fine with the n log n? Just convert to n. Yeah, that's optimization. Yeah, I know the question is demanding log m plus n, but take care of the another case. Just focus this. We are already optimized. Just n log n from n log n to n. Now, if you go further optimization, that's a brilliant thing. You must try this approach. So I will stop here because video is too lengthy already. So uh, if I get a comment, so I definitely if I get a comment or not, I will definitely post a. I was sneezing. I definitely post a code video of this because coding you get from anywhere, but main thing is approach. So if you like that approach, please give a like. Okay, so I'll stop here. I hope you liked it. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, whatever you want to. Click that like button, hit that. So okay, and further I will searching for another optimization. So now from there I'll stop and okay, bye.